students. Today we started our chemistry class with organic chemistry. Okay, that is our first organic chemistry chapter, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. Student, alkyl halides are the compounds which have the general formula Rx, capital R X, capital X, where R is an alkyl group and X is a halogen, that is chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine. Now student, we classify the haloalkanes according to the number of halogen atoms. Okay students, so classification based on the halogen atoms, we classify haloalkanes, that is they may be mono, di or tri or polyhalogen compounds depending on whether they contain 1, 2 or more halogen atoms in their structure. Okay, so mono, di or polyhalogen compounds such as monohaloalkane, here one halogen atom contains this compound, so this is called monohaloalkanes. Okay, in this compound it contains 2 halogen atoms, so this is called dihalogen alkane. Okay, and here it contains 3 halogen atoms, so this compound is called trihaloalkane. Okay, and dihalogen compounds may be further classified as gem halides and weak halides. Okay, this is a gem halides, and this is also called 2,2-dichloropropane, and this is 1,1-dichloroethane. 1,1-dichloro, that is 2 chlorine atoms contains in first carbon atom. Student, you can calculate number of carbon atoms from your left side or right side. Okay, you can take the halogen atoms any one of your sides, it may be left or right, whatever it is. So here first carbon atom contains 2 chlorine atoms, so this is called 1,1-dichloroethane. Okay, and this compound contain 2 chlorine atom, but this number of carbon is 2. Here first carbon we counted from left or right, whatever it is, number of halogen atom contains second carbon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 you can calculate in this way, or you can calculate 1, 2 or 3. So these chlorine atoms contain second carbon of your compound, so this is called 2,2-dichloropropane. Here 3 carbon atoms, so according to our series it is propane. Okay, so and 2 chlorine atom here, that is why we use di. Okay, and number of carbons here 2, so this chlorine contain second carbon number, and this chlorine also contain the second carbon number. Okay, so name of the compound will be 2,2-dichloropropane. Okay, and weak halides, that is 1,2-dichloroethane, this is called weak dihalides. Here also 2 chlorine atom. Okay, 1,2-dichloroethane. Students, halogen compounds in which halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay, according to this we can classify as haloalkanes or alkyl halides, alkylic halides, benzylic halides. Okay, so classification based on the hybridization of carbon atoms, we can say that haloalkanes or alkyl halides, allylic halides, benzylic halides. Okay, haloalkanes or alkyl halides, for example, CH for halogen. Here another alkyl group, that is, we write here R dash and H. This is called primary haloalkane. This is called primary haloalkane. Okay, and for secondary haloalkane, put two alkyl group, that is R dash, R double dash, X for halogen group, and write H for hydrogen. This is secondary haloalkane because it contains two alkyl groups. Okay, and tertiary haloalkane, it contains three alkyl group. Okay, this is tertiary haloalkane. Okay, if R X is an alkylic, that is cyclic aliphatic hydrocarbons such as cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, etc., they are known as the halocycloalkane. Okay, now student, allylic halides. In these compounds, halogen is bonded to allylic carbon, that is to the sp3 hybridized carbon atoms next to a carbon double bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH2X. This is allyl halide. Okay, or its name 3-halo 1-propene. 3-halo 1-propene. Okay, this is allylic halides. Okay, now benzylic halides. Benzylic halides, that is CH2X. This is benzyl halide. Okay, student, halogen compounds in which halogen is bonded to sp2 or sp hybridized carbon, they may be further classified as vinylic halides and aryl halides. Okay, and vinylic halides and aryl halides. Okay, vinylic halides, that is CH2CHX. This is vinyl halide. Okay, and aryl halides, this is halobenzene. This is a halobenzene. Okay, now student, we discuss about IUPAC names of some halides. Okay, look here student, CH3Cl, its common name is methyl chloride and IUPAC name is chloromethane. If we break this structure, that is carbon have 4 hands. One hand contained halide group. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine and fluorine according to the name of the halides. Compound's name also changes. Here we take chlorine, so its name will be chloromethane. If in place of chlorine we take bromine, then the structure will be bromomethane. Okay, so name of the compounds depends on the number of halogen group and name of the halogen. Okay, we take here chlorine, so its name chloromethane, and one carbon contains our structure contain one carbon atom, so we called it methane. Okay, and one chlorine atom present here, so our structure will be chloromethane. Okay, and its common name is methyl chloride. Another structure, CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. Okay, this is butyl chloride or called N-butyl chloride. Okay, and its IUPAC name is 1-chlorobutane. Student, look here. Here 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. So according to homologous series, if a compound contains 4 carbon atoms, they call butane. Okay, and here one chlorine present, so we say the name of the structure 1-chlorobutane, and this halogen group present in first carbon. Your counting may be started from your left side or right side. You take the least number of carbon. Okay, if you count from your left side, your name of the carbon will be 4 where chlorine present, and if you count from your right side, okay, your number of carbon will be 1, so you have to take the first carbon. Okay, so name of the structure will be 1-chlorobutane. 4 carbon here, so according to homologous series we name the structure 1-chlorobutane. Okay, now student, we write CH3, CH3, CH3 beer. Okay, its common name is tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, tertiary butyl bromide, because it contains 3 methyl group. Okay, and 1 bromine group, and bromine present in second carbon, so its IUPAC name will be 2-bromo-methyl propane. 2-bromo-2-methyl, sorry, 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Okay, 2-bromo, that means bromine present in second carbon. Okay, and here 2-methyl propane. Here 1 methyl group also present in second carbon, so here 2 functional group, 1 methyl group and 1 halogen group, here bromine. So this compound contain 2 functional group, 1 methyl group and another halogen group, that is bromine. Okay, so and their place is second carbon. If you count from your left or right side, whatever it is, number of carbon where functional group present is 2, so its name will be 2-bromo-2-methyl propane. Okay, if you write CH3Cl, its common name is orthochlorotoluene. Okay, orthochlorotoluene, and its IUPAC name is 2-chlorotoluene. Student, in cyclic group, you counted from any one end. Here in this structure we counted from here. This is one place, and second place, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth place. So chlorine present in second place. That's why we say this is 2-chlorotoluene or 1-chloro-2-methyl-benzene. If we take for chlorine 1, that is counted as chlorine present in first carbon. Okay, and our counting from here, this is cyclic group, so you can take in this way also. Here first carbon is present in chlorine, this is second position, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You can count in this way also, so its name will be changed. Then we can say 1-chloro-2-methyl-benzene. Okay, this structure is called 1-chloro-2-methyl-benzene or 2-chlorotoluene also. 2-chlorotoluene, we can, if we counted from here our first position and chlorine present in second position, then we can say it 2-chlorotoluene. Okay, student. Now CH2Cl, that is benzyl chloride. Okay, and its IUPAC name will be chlorophenyl methane. Okay, student, in your next class we discussed another methods of preparation of haloalkanes. Okay, in your next class we also discuss the chemical properties of haloalkanes also, and some reactions, important name reactions. Okay, till then student, practice at your home the IUPAC names.